Down by the pond where the lily pads grow, 5 little ducklings waddling slow. Waddle, 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 quack, quack, quack. 5 little tails going wiggle, waggle back. The first little duckling with feathers so yellow said, "I'm a hungry, hungry fellow." The second one nodded with a shake of her tail. "Let's find some duckling food, snails or kale." Quack, quack. The third one splashed with a paddle and a kick. Splash, splash, splash. The fourth one peeked at a floating stick. Peek-a-boo! The fifth little duckling, the smallest of all, gave a tiny quack and stood up down. 5 little ducklings paddling about, one wiggly worm finally popped out. Pop, pop! 4 little ducklings, what should we do? There's only one worm, but there's me and you. Ah! 5 little ducklings thinking hard, sharing is better than being a guard. Yeah! Yeah! The littlest duckling waddled up close. She looked at the worm and then proposed. "It's skinny and small, but if we all share a nibble for everyone, everywhere." The yellow duck nodded. "That's really fair." The second one quacked. "I like your care." The third one giggled. The fourth one clapped. The fifth little duckling's idea had snapped. 5 little ducklings standing in a line, one little worm and they're all doing fine. Nibble, nibble. 4 little ducklings passing it around. The tiniest piece makes the happiest sound. Munch, munch. 5 little ducklings full and glad. Sharing a treat doesn't make you sad. Yeah! Yum! It doesn't matter if it's big or small. Sharing is caring, we'll share it all. A cracker, a toy, or a worm from the ground. When we share it together, a joy is found. Action, kids! For kids! Wiggle your tail like a duckling does. Wiggle, 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 wiggle! Nibble your fingers like a tiny bill. Nibble, 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 wiggle! Give a big hug to someone you love. Hug! 5 little ducklings falling, falling, safe from the rain and any old storm. 4 little ducklings closing their eyes, dreaming of worms and sunny skies. 3 little ducklings snuggled up tight, 2 little ducklings whispering good night. 1 little duckling, the smallest and best, fell fast asleep on his mama's nest. Shh! Quack! Good night!